So good afternoon, everyone. I'm so happy to be here once again. So this is my third time to be part of the CXO Summit of BST. So this afternoon, I will be discussing about the AI-powered network analyzer of Huawei. So for our agenda this afternoon, so here are our discussions. So what are the network trends and challenges? Overview of Huawei campus network solution. And then we will not be tackling about the whole Huawei campus solution, but we will focus on the campus insight, which is the AI analyzer of Huawei, and then a successful use case. So to start with, digital transformation is one of the top priorities for organizations of all sizes around the globe. They have accepted that in order to survive and thrive on their businesses, they need to accelerate their digital transformation plans and initiative. But what is the underlying factor to succeed with the digital transformation goals? According to data from the IDC survey, network infrastructure plays a prominent role in digital transformation. Networks enable mobility, cloud computing, and Internet of Things deployment. They are the glue that connects businesses to the digital services they rely on. Yet too often, enterprises still rely on legacy network architectures. Many enterprises are increasingly realizing the importance of advanced enterprise network to achieve digital transformation. And the existence of outdated network components is spurring organizations to transform their networks to enable digital transformation. A prime area for network transformation is the enterprise campus, where there are more users, more devices, and things accessing the network through higher bandwidth application and demand over low latency connections. So in the past years, we have helped different organizations in their digital transformation journey. The examples are in this slide. So one of in education, so we have deployed fully wireless intelligent campus for 10K students. So they have increased 40% in teaching efficiency. And in manufacturing, we also have helped them in their digital transformation strategy, wherein all things are connected. We've helped in increasing 48% improving in production and efficiency. And also in the insurance, wherein we have deployed the SD-WAN for interconnection, we help them reduce network costs down to 40%. Organizations face significant challenges in their digital transformation journey. And they have admitted those challenges. So the trends right now is more than it's admitted that 100 times wireless terminal will be connected, and 80% of the application will be deployed on the cloud. Survey data indicates the top challenges of enterprise for digital transformation includes, number one, outdated technology. High bandwidth digital services require the most up-to-date infrastructure components such as the Wi-Fi 6. So there are organizations or offices that are struggling with the network connectivity because of the coverage holes. Those coverage holes are very prominent to old Wi-Fi standards, but with the latest Wi-Fi 6, we can address those. And also, passive optical LAN network are being considered to ensure networks to meet business needs. The complexity of networking technology, enterprises are looking for powerful network solutions, but this solution will also be simple to deploy and operate. Otherwise, agility will be held back. Intelligent management system that allows for automation of tasks help ease any operational burden. And inefficient architecture, as well as advanced infrastructure and management tools, enterprises are looking to adapt to system architect that can easily incorporate innovative new technologies in the future. This requires open and flexible architecture. As enterprise look to embrace digital services, the network must adapt to enable to meet the goals of the enterprises with regards to digital transformation. This requires a combination of robust infrastructure equipment across both wired and wireless networks, and advanced software management platforms for controlling these networks. The survey data showed the big data platform supports centralized data collection in, in, um, in wireless technology, and also a cloud-based management, the cohesive management of wired and wireless technology, both today and in the future. So this in this solution, or in these slides, we can see that the holistic solution of Huawei in terms for the cloud campus networking. So it is called a Cloud Campus 3.0. So this has different factors. The wireless network can fully support users, devices, and things to connect wirelessly and roam freely, providing 40% higher productivity. One global network capable of integrating LAN, WAN, wireless LAN. It will be able for you for internet cost savings of 40%. An advanced management platform that runs atop these infrastructure components for managing the entire enterprise campus, including the fully wireless access and optical network. This slide shows the complete solution of what we have. But in today's discussion, we will focus on the AI-powered network analyzer solution, which is the Campus Insight. It will give you a huge advantage to the organization using the AI and machine learning technology. The campus network architecture built on experience-centric operation and maintenance, or what we call O&M concept, differs from traditional campus network O&M solutions with the following aspect. Number one, the intelligent network analyzer detects user and application experiences. It will discover faults, including potential faults, and identify fault root causes based on big data and AI. Additionally, the intelligent network analyzer displays analysis results in an IT personnel-friendly manner. This is the largest difference in the network architecture. The support and intelligent network analyzer network devices collect data, perform intelligent edge analysis, and report data in real time. So if we are to compare the traditional NMS with Huawei Campus Insight, these are the main three differentiator. So the traditional NMS are being used by SNMP, which requires a 5-minute polling, whereas our Campus Insight uses telemetry that provides real-time awareness. In the traditional NMS, we are using the KPI-centric, and oftenly we are only triggered by passive response, whereas in our Campus Insight or our AI network analyzer, we are using a KQI, Key Quality Indicator Centric Network Experience, that will be able to identify the detailed type of application, the user, the service, and the network devices, providing you device health, network KPI, SLA, and user experience. In the big data era, traditional O&M based on application rules cannot meet the network O&M requirements, and the lack of automatic O&M becomes increasingly prominent. It is becoming an emergency to use a large amount of data generated on the network to perform intelligent O&M and improve O&M efficiency. Huawei Campus Insight, an intelligent network O&M platform, overrides traditional resource monitoring methods and applies AI to the O&M domain. Based on existing O&M data, such as device metrics and client logs, big data, AI algorithms, and more advanced analysis technologies, Campus Insight digitizes user experience on the network to help customers detect network issues in a timely manner, improving user experience. The combination of network configurations alongside traffic scheduling technologies ensures an optimal user experience, and it will indicate a fundamental change in the network design. This new design is oriented to user experience, driving the network from top to bottom, and adapting it according to service requirements. A clear transition has taken place from network operation based on network indicators to network operations based on service experience indicators. In turn, it will increase operator revenues. Intelligent enhanced learning is used to optimize performance and provide different parameter combinations for cells, improving the average user rate by over 50%. An intelligent algorithm is also used to predict abnormalities that adversely affect user experience, perform maintenance in advance, detect network quality and faults before they are perceived by the users, and proactively optimize the user experience. So because we are talking right now of the user experience. Advanced enterprise networks are not just about the design and infrastructure component. Another critical layer is the management and automation platform. That's why we are discussing about the Campus Insight right now. Important developments have been made in recent years, including the use of machine learning and artificial intelligence to enhance automation capabilities. Intelligent management platform helps enterprise ensure performance, reduce problems, and scale dynamically to meet the needs of the businesses. In a real-world scenario, whenever there are issues of slowdown of application, you cannot connect to the Wi-Fi, there are intermittent access on the programs, the management, they're always pointing fingers on the network team. Then the network team will try to troubleshoot the problem. Without the proper tools, network administrators are blinded where to start the troubleshooting. Typical question in their mind would be, where does the fault occur? What are the reason for those faults? There are a lot of things to consider. So the distribution of common issues on campus network could be wireless issues, application stability issues, wired device issues, and many other more. Huawei solution on the network analyzer, it can intelligently identify faults before it affects the user. Campus Insight, as I've said, uses telemetry technology to collect metrics and logs of network devices and detect network exception based on real service traffic. The big data platform supports centralized data collection, storage, and analysis to process big data efficiently. Campus Insight uses the Huawei developed big data analytics platform, received device data through the telemetry technology, and analyzes and display network data through intelligent algorithm. Our solutions brings three key important features. The KQI-based network-wide experience, it will comprehensively evaluate the network using 7 dimensions to identify the area with the poorest experience and will be able to examine the network change and trends. And then it will detect experience of user in real time. It will enable fault tracing capabilities. So for example, it will display the client data in real time, including the connected AP and the connected user and how does the issue occurs. And then the third is the client access protocol tracing, reduces fault locating time from 4 hours in minutes. So we will be able to identify the user from the time it connects to the network until the issue occurs. It will accurately identify root causes of issues based on the fault knowledge base and provide handling suggestions. The network health displays the overall evaluation result of campus. So we will be able to provide you with the clear view of what is happening in the network. With the application identification technology, Campus Insight accurately identifies more than 1,000 mainstream applications and their traffic usage on the entire network, including WeChat, DingTalk, WebEx, Zoom, Microsoft are samples of the applications that currently being used or being widely used. In addition, Campus Insight uses the NetStream technology to define network application and provides multidimensional statistics and analysis on service traffic on the network, meeting users' requirements for more refined network management. We will be able to visualize user experience journey in real time, and we will be able to experience real-time experience awareness. And we will be able to reduce the fault location in minutes, as I've said earlier. Network health displays the overall evaluation result, whether for wired or wireless, experience quality based on the device environment, device capacity, network performance, and network status. It quickly traces common wired and wireless network issues. It will also able you to intelligently identify the root cause and analyze those problems and provides rectification suggestions. It will proactively identify issues by 85% of potential network issues through the AI algorithm that are continuously trained via the Huawei's 200,000 plus terminals that are connected. Rapid fault location, locate issues within minutes, identifies the root cause of the issues, and provide effective fault rectification suggestion based on the interference engines that we have as part of the Campus Insight solution. Intelligent fault prediction, learn historical data through AI to dynamically generate a baseline and compares and analyze the baseline in real time data to predict the possible faults so that before the issue occurs to the user, the Campus Insight will be able to tell the network administrators on those possible scenarios. Since the trend in the campus network today is really more on wireless, so gone are the days that a wireless is just a secondary connection. It's another way around. Wireless is the main connectivity for campus connectivity or user connectivity. Um, Campus Insight can be maximized in a Wi-Fi scenario. We have developed a lot of good features for the wireless. The good thing is the wireless network health. It will display the overall evaluation result of campus wireless client experience quality based on access successful rate, time required for access, RSSI and interference, roaming fulfillment rate, capacity health, and throughput fulfillment rate. Campus Insight can analyze the distribution of metrics and objects in depth to clearly determine the network quality. It can also provide comparison and analysis of different time and areas and sends quality evaluation reports in real time or periodically through emails, helping the administrator proactively optimize the network. Campus Insight can drive continuous improvement from poor experience to good user experience. It supports the issue distribution view, allowing administrators to view number of issues on different devices. So we will be able to find the poorest network quality based on the area base that we have uploaded in the system or in the solution. We will be also able to compare the network quality trends and investigate what is the real root cause for and suggestions for indicating the anomalies. This helps the admin also identify the number of affected clients, and the administrators will be able to focus on the affected devices rather than checking all the other devices were of the specific issues. The support issue impact analysis view also allows administrator to filter impact factors from multiple dimensions and drill down layer by layer to quickly locate the root cause, and analyzes the root cause and provides rectification suggestions to assist quick issue closure. Administrators can view details about an issue, indicating the duration, the activeness, distribution trend, and impact scope. In addition, the system can match the fault scenarios based on the fault knowledge base, automatically identify root causes, and provide rectification suggestions, helping administrators to troubleshooting and rectifying the issue. In addition, the system can compare faulty devices with other devices to quickly identify risks, objects, and providing the basis of proactive um, optimizations. And finally, Campus Insight allows you to trace the process for a client to access the network at three phases: association, authentication, and the DHCP, and displays the protocol interaction results and consume time, helping the O&M personnel precisely locate the request or response phase where the issue occurs and analyze the client access process in a refined way. So this is a good indication or a good example of how the dashboard of the Campus Insight looks like. In order for you to appreciate further our Campus Insight, I will show you a 2-minute video with regards to the Campus Insight rectifying the faults of a wireless user. So moving on, there's no other way to share a best successful use case but our very own Huawei internal network. Campus Insight is being used internally in Huawei network globally. I will share with you on how we maximize the power of this Campus Insight in our internal network. To give you an overview of how Huawei network look like. So we have 200,000 employees in over 170 plus countries all across the globe. We have 14 R&D centers, 36 innovation centers. One innovation center is here in the Philippines. We have 1,000 plus workspaces, 220 plus stores, and per day we receive 2.8 million emails. And then the meetings that we being held every day is at least 80,000. The devices that currently being managed by our internal IT are around routers are 3,500, switches 60,000 plus, wireless LAN 100,000, firewalls, and many other. And then, as you can see in the middle, so we have a DCI data center interconnect global high-speed core network. So imagine if you are the IT administrator of this of our network. So it's hard for you to troubleshoot if there would be issues in the network. So we made use of our Campus Insight. Being a technology company, Huawei is not spared from the challenges of the network. There are two types of issues in terms of O&M. The number one is IT technical support. We have an average of 300 double tickets per year, most of which are from IT front liners. And then for the user hotline, an average of 400 trouble tickets per month, most of which are from the hotline. Typically, issues of this are being handled quickly by the online IT admin technical support. And then the percentage issues by type would be 40% on the Wi-Fi, and then 20% on the LAN, and then the rest would be one, and the other would be the terminal devices and the servers. And then, as you can see also, the different trouble tickets by type. So there are access failures, low access, offline, and other requirements. Here is a more detailed challenges that we are facing in the wired network. The network system has become a core part of many services component. So typical scenario or challenges that we are facing, especially during this pandemic, is teleconference service of office are prone to frame freezing because there are a lot of video conferencing being held daily. The root cause could be cable crosstalk, and then it introduces error packets on the ports. And then image transmission on eSpace. eSpace, by the way, is our collaboration application. So for chat, for video calling, so we use that application. Image transmission on eSpace between users in representative office is low. So the root cause could be network congestion on the ports. A large number of users in Office E fail to pass wireless authentication. The root cause mainly as the RJ45 connectors of Ethernet cable have aged out. So also the top issues would be packet loss, error packets, up and down on the specific ISPs or the network connectivity. And then also we have network loop and PoE exception of wide users. And then during the last 5 years, Huawei focused on the development of an intelligent tool that will help solve the challenges in the network. So basically, we need to solve it internally first. So how do we able to rectify those faults? How we'll be able to proactively solve those issues in the network? It was in 2018 when Campus Insight was first used. So it was the first version of our Campus Insight or Intelligent O&M 1.0. So we have used the AI for O&M. So the challenges before is the lack of data. And then Huawei Campus Insight, 100,000 plus devices and 300,000 plus terminals around the world are connected. So we are able to see and we were able to record millions of data per day. And then we moved on to the second version of the intelligent O&M. The challenges back then was wireless network optimization and LAN-side troubleshooting. The AI-powered wireless network optimization, we will be able to optimize and automatically do radio calibration on the Wi-Fi, and then root cause location of 36 typical switch faults in minutes based on Huawei expertise um, in the IT. Now, we are already using the Intelligent O&M 3.0, wherein we provide end-to-end analysis of wireless LAN, LAN, and wide area. So the challenges that we are experiencing before prior to using the Campus Insight were being addressed slowly. Our internal IT team can intelligently analyze data reported on the second level and establishes a network health evaluation system from multiple dimensions. So this is a sample dashboard, the Campus Insight. So the Campus Insight evaluates and tracks regions based on indicator weights, driving continuous improvement from poor experience to good experience and gradually improving the network quality. The dynamic baseline comparison between the local region and the regions for each indicator can be viewed. Campus Insight provides associated root cause indicators, enabling in-depth root cause analysis. Different time or areas can be selected for comparison and analysis and send network health reports to the administrators in real time or in periodically by emails. So first, we will able to see the health of the system, and then it will able you to provide multi-dimensional or specifically 7-dimensional detailed analysis. And then professional report interpretation can be seen in the dashboard, so providing an ease of use for our IT admin. So this is how it looks like. So this is the actual recording that our IT have done for the Campus Insight, the internal Campus Insight. When it comes to our wireless network, we can easily identify the faults based on heat map simulation. So we have in one of our campus in China, so we have multiple buildings. So what we did is we uploaded the floor plan of each building, and we will be able to simulate the heat map of the per building. So number one, we will able to recognize obstacles based on image recognition technology. And then we will be able to report detection data to the analyzer. And the analyzer will learn the signal attenuation formula based on obstacle location and detection. And then the analyzer will simulate the radio heat map based on learning result. So we will be able to automatically identify the problems, and we can apply those rectification immediately. Another key feature that brought a huge advantage and benefit of Campus Insight in our internal IT network is the interconnectivity support. Campus Insight provides the following secondary development capabilities based on data characteristics. For RESTful NBI, northbound interfaces, so it is open and we can provide devices, interface link, and boards and health data. For SNMP NBI, we can do report alarm data to third-party system through SNMP. And Kafka NBI, it consumes data collected by Campus Insight using a telemetry through a consumer API provided by Kafka. So we use this to have an overall view of our global network. So we have a Huawei Operation Command Center. So the Huawei OCC adopts a brand new service operation model and provide data visibility technology that will display information intuitively, intelligently in a large screen in China. It will facilitate information analysis and event response. So the center also uses that campus insight as a data source to obtain network in real time. So we have done integration in order for us to maximize and interpret properly and use it by our Huawei OCC. Currently, a multitude of applications such as attendance system, inventory management, and logistics are being used for the campus insight. As a key takeaway, so Campus Insight is certified by TOLI, comparing it to its counterpart in the market today, functionality is way better. So we have over 2.5 million terminals being connected or being monitored by the Campus Insight. We have deployed 500 plus commercial sites, and we have done 100 plus patents and AI algorithms. So specifically for Campus Insight alone, there are 45 plus experts looking into the development of the Campus Insight. And we have partnered with 15 plus universities. And as a summary, in today's digital economy, stable network are the foundation for business success. Huawei Campus Insight, one of the key products with Huawei Cloud Campus 3.0, has already been successful commercial use in diverse industries. And in the Philippines of today, so we are proud to say that there are a number of customers already that they have been using Campus Insight, and they have really saw the advantage of the Campus Insight in their network. So this ends my presentation. So hope you had gathered very useful information during this time.